Greetings to all of you. We are glad to have you back at 1 Minute English. I am Hannah.
And I'm Thomas.
I feel the same way. So, Thomas, how are you doing at this moment?
I am doing quite well, very well indeed. And most importantly, I am fully conscious and alert.
Being awake is a great start. We can count that as a success.
Precisely. I have to thank the coffee for that. Lots of coffee. Now I am prepared to dive into our conversation. How are things with you, Hannah?
I am doing wonderfully. My morning was quite peaceful, which has put me in a very positive frame of mind.
That is lovely. Starting the day with tranquility can really set the tone for everything else, don't you think?
Absolutely. That actually brings us perfectly to our subject for today. We're going to discuss everyday life, our habits, and the activities we perform daily.
Ah, the routines of daily life. It is something universal. Everyone experiences it. We rise, go about our business, and eventually go to bed.
You're right, Thomas. From the start of the day to the end of the night, these minor tasks recur constantly.
Often, when people hear the word routine, they immediately assume it must be dull.
I understand that perspective, but I find routines quite fascinating. Each person has a unique way of doing things, which keeps it interesting.
I concur, Hannah. Furthermore, routines provide an excellent opportunity to practice English. They involve basic actions and vocabulary rooted in real-world situations.
Precisely. It's authentic English for everyday living, taken one step at a time. Before we begin, could we ask for a small favor from our audience?
Just a quick request. If you are finding this episode helpful, please hit the like button. It makes a big difference for us.
And a warm welcome to any new listeners. We're delighted you joined us.
It also helps us greatly when you share our content. If you have friends who are studying English, please pass this episode along to them.
We appreciate you being a member of our community of learners.
Okay, Hannah, I'm all set whenever you want to start.
Let's begin. Okay, let's dive into the topic of daily life. We'll start at the very beginning of the day, the morning hours.
Oh, goodness, we're at the morning already. That happened quickly.
Thomas, do you find that mornings are kind to you, or is it a struggle?
To be perfectly honest, Hannah, mornings and I are not good friends. Not friends at all.
Oh, really? That's funny, because I actually enjoy mornings.
Wow. For me, the hardest part is opening my eyes. Eyes open, brain still sleeping.
That feeling is very real. So when you wake up, do you get up right away?
Oh, no. I stay in bed just a little longer.
Just a little?
Yes, just one more minute. Then another minute. Then another one.
That sounds dangerous.
Very dangerous. Suddenly, I look at the clock and think, oh wow, I need to move.
So that's the moment you finally leave the bed.
Yes, fast, very fast. I jump up and rush.
Oh, Thomas, my morning is completely different.
Really? Tell me, Hannah.
I wake up slowly, no rushing. I take a deep breath and stretch.
Wow, that sounds peaceful.
It is. I like starting the day quietly. I open the window, feel the air, and just stand there for a moment.
Oh, I like that image. Very calm.
And after that, the best part. I prepare a warm drink. Yes, something warm, something comforting. I hold the cup and relax.
Nice. For me, the morning drink is not calm at all. I drink fast, very fast.
2 mornings, 2 styles, and both are real life.
So after I drink my morning beverage, I usually turn on the TV.
Oh, really? Right away?
Yes, just a little sound in the background. Voices, music. It helps me wake up.
Ah, I see. For me, I do the opposite. I keep everything quiet, very quiet.
No TV, no music?
Nope. I sit still, breathe slowly, and enjoy the silence. Just a few minutes.
Wow, Hannah, that sounds very peaceful. Maybe one day I'll try that.
Even one quiet minute is enough. All right, now let's talk about food. After your drink, do you eat anything?
Yes, but very simple. I grab something and go.
Grab and go, exactly.
A piece of bread or a small yogurt. Nothing fancy.
That fits your fast morning style, Thomas.
Yes, my goal is simple. Eat and move.
For me, breakfast is a moment to slow down. I sit at the table and eat calmly.
Wow, sitting down, that's a luxury.
I like warm food in the morning. It helps my body wake up slowly. After breakfast, it's time to get ready for the day.
Yes, first step, water. A quick shower, not too long.
Oh, mine is longer. Warm water, deep breaths. It helps me feel fresh.
And then comes my least favorite part.
Oh no, what is it?
Standing in front of the mirror, asking myself, is this okay?
That question never ends.
Never. I change once, twice, and then I say, okay, this is fine.
That sounds very relatable.
And later during the day, my energy goes down around mid-afternoon.
Oh yes, that quiet, sleepy moment.
Exactly. My eyes feel heavy.
So what do you do, Thomas?
I stand up, move my body, and eat something small.
Ah, movement helps.
Yes, just a little walk. 5 minutes.
For me, I slow down again. I drink something warm and take a short pause.
Choose styles again. Fast and calm.
Yes, different routines, same daily life. All right, the workday slowly comes to an end. The clock moves closer to the evening.
Ah, that moment feels so good. My shoulders relax right away.
So how do you leave work, Thomas?
I walk outside and feel the air. My body is tired, but my mind feels free.
That sounds nice.
I stop by a small shop near the office. Just a quick stop. Then I head home.
Ooh, I like that. For me, the trip home is slower. I take my time and let the day end.
And when you finally arrive, Hannah, what's the first thing you do?
The moment I open the door, I take off my shoes and breathe out.
That long breath says everything.
It really does. The house feels quiet and safe.
For me, I hear sounds right away.
Oh?
Yes, fast footsteps, happy noise. Someone is waiting.
Oh, I know that feeling.
I bend down and say hello. No words needed, just smiles and movement.
That's a beautiful way to come home, Thomas.
It is. Home feels alive. So, after that warm welcome, what do you do next, Hannah?
I change right away. Work clothes off, soft clothes on.
Yes, soft clothes, the best feeling.
The body knows work is finished.
For me too, that moment changes everything. I feel lighter.
And then, before eating, I take a warm shower.
Oh, a shower after a long day.
Yes, warm water, slow breathing. I let the day wash away. Stress, noise, everything.
Wow, Hannah, that sounds so relaxing.
It really is. After the shower, my body feels calm and my mind feels clear.
That makes sense.
Then comes the evening routine.
Food.
Yes, food.
For me, I keep dinner very simple. Easy food, easy life.
I enjoy being in the kitchen after I'm clean and relaxed. I move slowly, cut vegetables, and listen to soft sounds.
Wow, shower first, cooking later. Very Hannah style.
Exactly. Cooking becomes part of relaxing.
For me, I relax after cooking.
That's fair.
So dinner for me is about comfort, not skill.
And that's perfect. Evening time is for feeling good.
So when it's time to eat, I keep things very easy.
Easy how, Thomas?
One pan, one plate. Less thinking.
That sounds like your style.
Sometimes it's rice with something warm on top, sometimes just a sandwich.
A comfort dinner.
Exactly. Comfort food. Simple and easy.
For me, dinner is slower. I like to prepare everything step by step.
Oh, step by step.
Yes, I wash, I cut, I stir slowly and calmly.
Wow, Hannah, that sounds like therapy.
Maybe it is. So after dinner, the evening really begins.
Yes, the lights feel softer, the day feels finished.
I like that feeling.
Me too. I tidy up a little, not perfect, just enough.
Enough is good.
Then I sit down and don't move for a moment.
Just sitting is important.
Very important. My body says, okay, we're home now. After that, I usually choose something light to enjoy.
Like what?
Short videos, something funny. I don't want to think too much.
Yes, laughter helps the mind relax.
Exactly. 5 minutes, then 10 minutes.
For me, I prefer something quiet. I turn the lights down and slow everything down.
Very Hannah style.
I might write a few notes or read a few pages, no rush.
Do you ever go outside at night, Hannah?
Yes, sometimes, just for a moment.
Oh?
I step outside, feel the cool air, and listen. No talking, just listening.
Wow, that sounds very peaceful.
It is. The world feels slower at night.
For me, night is an indoor time.
That's okay. Everyone has their own rhythm.
So when the day is really finished, how do you prepare for sleep?
I follow the same steps every night. Same steps, same order.
Routine again.
Yes, routine helps the body relax.
What's the first step?
I clean up, wash my face, and change into something soft.
Soft clothes again. Very important.
Always. Then I turn everything off. Lights, sounds, screens.
Oh, screens off. That's hard.
I know, but it helps me sleep faster.
And then?
I lie down, take one deep breath, then another, and that's it.
Wow. Your day starts calm and ends calm.
Yes, and tomorrow we do it all again. So, Thomas, after all that calm evening talk, I have to ask, what happens late at night?
Late night, that's my time.
Of course it is.
When the house is quiet, my brain wakes up. Ideas and thoughts all start coming.
Oh, wow. That's the opposite of me.
I tell myself, just a few more minutes. Minutes become more minutes, and the clock keeps moving.
Exactly. Before I know it, it's very late.
And then the next morning...
Yes, I regret everything. You know, Thomas, it's funny how different our days are.
Very different. Fast here, slow there.
But they both work.
Exactly. There's no right routine, just your routine.
I like that. From morning calm to evening quiet.
And from rushing to relaxing, we really walked through a full day together.
Yes, step by step, moment by moment. Before we finish, Thomas, let's take a few minutes to review some phrases we used today. Phrases you can use in your own daily life.
Oh yes, these are super useful. Let's go. First, when you wake up in the morning, you can say, I wake up early to enjoy a quiet morning. Say it with me. I wake up early to enjoy a quiet morning. Or if you're like me, a night person, you can say, I stay up late and read or watch videos. Repeat after me. I stay up late and read or watch videos.
Perfect. Next, when you are getting ready, changing clothes, or relaxing at home, I like to change into comfortable clothes after work. Say it again. I like to change into comfortable clothes after work. And when it's time to eat dinner, you can say, I enjoy cooking simple meals to relax after a long day. Say it slowly. I enjoy cooking simple meals to relax after a long day.
If you are talking about your pets at home, you can say, I say hello to my cat when I get home. Repeat. I say hello to my cat when I get home.
Or about your evening routine, you can say, I like to read or watch something funny before bed. Repeat after me. I like to read or watch something funny before bed.
Yes, these phrases are simple but very natural. You can use them every day to talk about your life. And remember, friends, the more you use these sentences, the easier they become. Speak, speak, and speak.
Exactly, Thomas. Little by little, daily life in English becomes real life.
So try to make your own sentences using these phrases today.
Yes, and share them in the comments. We'd love to read what you have to say. All right, friends, our day is finished now.
Wow, that went by fast.
Thank you for spending this time with us and listening to our daily life stories.
We hope it felt real and easy to follow.
If you enjoyed learning with us today, please support the channel.
Subscribe to our channel and stay with us.
And if this lesson made you smile even once,
Give it a like.
before we go, we have a small question for you.
Yes, we really want to hear from you. When do you feel your best? Early in the day or late at night?
Tell us in the comments. Simple words are perfect.
We truly read your comments.
All right, that's it for today.
See you next time, Hannah.
Bye, Thomas, and bye, everyone.
Take care and keep practicing English. Bye-bye.